In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the anti-malware service is using the high disk usage on your Windows 10. The first step is we want to open up Task Scheduler. Once this is open, what you want to do is you want to go to the library, Microsoft, Windows, and in here you want to look for Windows Defender. So let me just make this a little bigger and find Windows Defender. Here, then what you want to do is just make this one big. Take this to the side so you can find the scheduled scan right here. What you want to do is double click this one. And then what you want to do is you want to untick this one, right? Run with the highest privileges. Then go to conditions and then you want to untick this one. Press OK and there we go. Then what you can do is you can just close this one down. Then after that, what you want to do is come here and search for Windows Security. Open up Virus and Threat Protection. Go to Manage Settings. Find exclusions and press add or remove exclusions. Then what you want to do in here is add an exclusion file. Go to your C drive, program files, Windows Defender. And in Windows Defender, what you want to do is you want to find the msmp.eng file. So as you can see, I have one right here, msmp.eng. Then you want to open this one. And now that it's added, then what you can do is you can add again, file, find the exact same file right here, copy this one, Control C, close it down, add here, file type, and then add it again and press add. Now as you can see, there will be two files added, and that's how you can do it. Then what we want to do is simply we want to restart our PC, and now it should hopefully work. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.